Let us look at proposition number 21 of works of Archimedes, specifically book 1 of On the Sphere and Cylinder. The proposition says, if a regular polygon of an even number of sides being inscribed in a circle as A, B, C, A prime, C prime, B prime, A, so that A prime is the diameter if two angular points next but one to each other as B prime be joined and other lines parallel to B prime and joining pairs of angular points be drawn as C prime, D prime, and so on, then B prime plus C prime plus D prime and so on is to A prime as A prime B is to AB. Quite a bit to figure out here. So let's take it step by step. Given a circle of diameter A prime, a polygon ABC A prime C prime B prime of even number of sides be inscribed in the circle. Join the points B prime, that is an alternate points, rather a pair of alternate points. Join pairs of angular points of the polygon parallel to B prime as C prime, D prime, and so on. Join A prime B. Then what the proposition is saying is that B prime plus C prime plus D prime and so on is to A prime as A prime B is to AB. So let's see how we can prove this. Let intersection of B prime, C prime, D prime, and so on with A prime be at F, G, H, and so on. Join CB prime, DC prime, and so on, intersecting with the diameter A prime at KL, and so on. Remember, he is not talking of a particular polygon. Here we have chosen a 12-sided polygon. Since he is talking in general, that is why all this dot is coming, and that is why here in between he has not given any references for these points. Okay, so now CB prime, DC prime, and this line, these are all going to be parallel to each other. And they will all be parallel to AB. Try to figure out the similarity of these triangles. Now, we know that these two lines are parallel, AB and CB prime. So that means AK is a traversal through these two parallel lines, which tells us that angle BAF is equal to FKB prime. And again, between the same parallel lines, we have another traversal, that is BB prime. Angle ABF is equal to FB prime K. And because this regular polygon has even number of sides, that means AB is equal to AB prime, circular arcs, which means BF is equal to FB prime. So we have two angles equal to two angles and a side equal to a side. So, which means triangle BFA is similar to B prime FK, which in turn means that the sides about the equal angles are in proportion. So we have BF is to FA is equal to B prime F is to FK. And in the same way, we can say triangle BFA is similar to CGK, which means again that BF is to FA is equal to CG is to GK. Again, triangle BFA is similar to C prime GL, which means BF is to FA is equal to C prime G is to GL. And similarly, we can keep going through the entire set of triangles so that we finally arrive at triangle BFA is similar to triangle E prime I A prime, which means BF is to FA is equal to E prime I is to I A prime. Summing the antecedents and consequents we get. Now, what does this mean? Again, from Euclid. Let's take it. Antecedents BF plus B prime F. BF plus B prime F. That gives us B prime plus CG plus C prime G. That gives us C prime and so on. So that finally we end up with BB prime plus CC prime plus and so on. Is to now the consequence FA plus FK, FA plus FK plus GK plus GL and so on till we reach IA prime. So when we add up all these things, we are adding up so that we end up with the diameter AA prime. So we have BB prime plus CC prime plus and so on is to AA prime is equal to BF is to FA. That is the left hand side here. Triangle AFB is similar to triangle AA prime B. Why? Because again, if you notice that we have a right angle triangle here, we have BF which is perpendicular to AA prime. So that means these three triangles ABA prime, AFB and FBA prime, they are all similar to each other. And we are interested in these two triangles. AFB is similar to AA prime B. Now, since these two triangles are similar, sides about the equal angles will be proportional. That means BF is to FA is equal to A prime B is to AB. So, which means we can substitute BF is to FA with A prime B is to AB. So that we end up with BB prime plus CC prime plus and so on is to AA prime is equal to A prime B is to AB. That is proposition number 21 of works of Archimedes, specifically book 1 of on the sphere and cylinder. Again, let me remind you, there is a link to a PDF book which describes all these propositions in detail. Please feel free to download it, refer to it, and if you think somebody else can also benefit from it, please do share. That's it for now. Bye.